Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Casio A164W. This is going to be the model with the 3 buttons, and you need to do the AC reset after you have replaced the watch battery. In order to do the AC reset, we are going to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here, and then I'm going to touch the pair of tweezers with the other end one of the buttons, so this metallic plate either on this side or on the other side, and you'll be able to see that your watch has started from 12 o'clock. This is going to be a good indication that you have done the AC reset correctly, and this is going to be useful for both Casio watches and G-Shock watches. In case you want to watch the full guide with the entire process on how to replace the watch battery by yourself at home, either on this particular model or on other 3-button Casio watches that feature the CR 2016 watch battery type, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Also, make sure to grab the basic watchmaker toolkit and the watch battery before doing the battery replacement. I also have links for these in the description box below because you are going to need all the proper tools. Also guys, in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.